Hello everyone, and welcome back to our 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. We are so happy that you are here with us today. If this is your first time watching, welcome. If you have been practicing with us every day, congratulations on reaching day 12. Every lesson you complete brings you one step closer to speaking English with more confidence. Remember, learning a language is a journey. You don't become fluent overnight. Instead, you improve little by little, sentence by sentence, and day by day. The most important thing is to stay consistent and enjoy the learning process. Before we begin today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with anyone who is also learning English. Practicing together makes learning more enjoyable and keeps everyone motivated.
That's absolutely true. Many English learners believe they need to study for hours every day to improve, but that's not always the case. Even practicing for 10 or 15 minutes each day can make a huge difference over time. Small daily improvements grow into big results. Think of learning English like planting a tree. At first, you may not notice much change, but if you continue watering it every day, it slowly becomes stronger and taller. Your English works the same way. Every new word you learn, every sentence you repeat, and every conversation you practice helps build your confidence. So don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning, and every mistake teaches you something valuable.
Today, we are going to talk about something that everyone experiences every single day: making decisions. From the moment we wake up until we go to sleep, we make countless decisions without even realizing it. Some decisions are very simple. For example, what should I wear today? What should I eat for breakfast? Should I walk to work or take the bus? These choices may seem small, but together they become part of our daily lives. Then there are much bigger decisions that can change our future. We might decide to learn a new language, start a new job, move to another city, or continue our education. These decisions often require more time because they can affect our lives for many years.
Exactly. Big decisions can sometimes feel stressful because we want to make the right choice. We often ask ourselves many questions. What if I make a mistake? What if another option is better? What if I regret my decision later? These thoughts are completely normal. Everyone experiences uncertainty from time to time. However, waiting forever for the perfect answer usually doesn't help. In many situations, gathering enough information, thinking carefully, and then making a thoughtful decision is much better than doing nothing at all. Today, we'll explore how good decision-making can help us grow, become more confident, and create better opportunities for the future. Along the way, you'll also practice useful English expressions that you can use in your everyday conversations.
Let me share a personal experience with you. A few years ago, I had a comfortable job. The work was familiar, my coworkers were friendly, and every day followed the same routine. At first, I thought that was exactly what I wanted. Life felt safe, and I didn't have to worry about many changes. Then one day, I received an opportunity to try something completely different. It was exciting, but it was also frightening. I spent many days asking myself difficult questions. Should I stay where everything feels comfortable? Or should I take a chance and try something new? Every morning I thought about the risks, and every evening I wondered whether I was making the right choice. I kept imagining different futures, and honestly, I was afraid of making a mistake.
I think many people can relate to that story. Sometimes we become so comfortable with our daily routine that even a positive change feels scary. Our minds naturally focus on what we might lose instead of what we might gain. We begin asking questions like, what if I fail? Or what if things don't work out? But there is another important question that people often forget to ask. What if I never try? If we never take a chance, we may never discover new opportunities or learn what we are truly capable of achieving. Growth usually happens when we step outside our comfort zone, even if it feels a little uncomfortable at first.
That's exactly what I realized. After thinking carefully for several weeks, I finally made my decision. I accepted the new opportunity. Was I nervous? Absolutely. Did everything go perfectly? Of course not. There were difficult days, unexpected challenges, and moments when I questioned myself. However, each challenge taught me something valuable. I learned new skills, met amazing people, and became much more confident than before. Looking back now, I realize that making the decision to move forward was one of the best choices I have ever made. If I had stayed where I was simply because I was afraid, I might have missed many wonderful experiences.
That story teaches an important lesson. Many people believe that not making a decision is the safest option, but that's not always true. Choosing to stay in the same place is also a decision. Every choice has both advantages and disadvantages, and there is rarely a perfect answer. Instead of searching for perfection, we should focus on making thoughtful decisions based on the information we have. Then, once we make our choice, we continue learning from the experience. Even if things don't go exactly as planned, every experience helps us become wiser, stronger, and better prepared for the decisions we will face in the future.
Now, let's talk about another important part of decision-making. Every decision has both advantages and disadvantages. Sometimes we only notice the exciting part of a choice and forget to think about the possible problems. Other times, we become so focused on the risks that we completely ignore the opportunities. Neither approach gives us the full picture. Before making an important decision, it's helpful to slow down and ask yourself a few simple questions. What are the benefits? What are the possible challenges? How will this decision affect me next week, next month, or even next year? Taking a few extra minutes to think carefully can help you make a much wiser choice.
That reminds me of something that happened to me a few years ago. I wanted to buy my first car, and after weeks of searching, I finally found one that looked absolutely perfect. It had a beautiful design, a shiny exterior, comfortable seats, and a powerful engine. The seller told me it was an excellent deal, and I became so excited that I stopped asking important questions. Instead of checking the car carefully or asking a mechanic to inspect it, I focused only on how attractive it looked. I imagined myself driving it every day, and I convinced myself that everything would be fine.
Let me guess. The story didn't have a happy beginning.
Not at all. Only 2 weeks after buying the car, it started making strange noises. A few days later, another part stopped working, and before long, I was spending much more money on repairs than I had expected. That's when I realized an important lesson. Something can look wonderful on the outside while hiding serious problems underneath. Since then, I have learned to stay calm, ask more questions, compare different options, and think carefully before making expensive or important decisions. Excitement is a wonderful feeling, but it should never replace careful thinking.
That's an excellent lesson for all of us. Our emotions are powerful, and they can influence the decisions we make every day. When we are excited, we may ignore warning signs. When we are afraid, we may miss valuable opportunities. The best approach is to pause, gather information, and think clearly before taking action. Good decisions rarely come from rushing. They come from knowledge, experience, patience, and careful reflection. The more we practice making thoughtful decisions, the more confident we become, not only in English, but in every area of our lives.
Let's talk about another challenge that many people face today. We live in a world full of choices. Years ago, people had only a few options when buying something, watching a movie, or choosing a career. Today, we have thousands of choices everywhere we look. We open a shopping website and find hundreds of products. We open a streaming app and see thousands of movies and TV shows. We search for online courses and discover endless possibilities. Having many choices sounds wonderful, but surprisingly, it can also make life more difficult. Instead of making a quick decision, we often spend a long time comparing options because we are afraid of choosing the wrong one.
I know exactly what you mean. Sometimes I decide to watch a movie after dinner, and I think it will only take a few minutes to choose one. Then I start scrolling through different streaming apps, reading descriptions, watching trailers, and comparing reviews. Before I realize it,
30 or 40 minutes have passed, and I'm still looking for the perfect movie. In the end, I sometimes feel too tired to watch anything at all. It's funny, but it also teaches an important lesson. Too many choices can make us hesitate instead of helping us make better decisions.
That's a great example. The same thing happens in many areas of life. Some people spend years waiting for the perfect job, the perfect opportunity, or the perfect time to begin something new. They believe they must make the perfect decision before taking any action. However, life doesn't always work that way. In many situations, there is no perfect choice. There are simply good options, better options, and opportunities to learn. If we wait forever for perfection, we may never move forward. Sometimes making a thoughtful decision today is much better than waiting endlessly for a perfect answer that may never come.
Exactly. Every experience teaches us something valuable, whether the result is good or bad. Even when a decision doesn't work out as we hoped, we gain knowledge that helps us make better choices in the future. Mistakes are not signs of failure. They are opportunities to grow, improve, and become wiser. Every successful person has made difficult decisions and learned from mistakes along the way. The important thing is to stay calm, keep learning, and remember that progress comes from taking action. Every decision you make becomes another step in your journey toward becoming a stronger, more confident person.
Let's practice one final idea about making good decisions. Many people believe that successful people always make the perfect choice, but that simply isn't true. Successful people make thoughtful decisions, accept the results, and continue learning from every experience. They understand that no one can predict the future with complete certainty. Sometimes things go exactly as planned, and sometimes unexpected challenges appear. What makes the difference is not avoiding every mistake, but responding to challenges with patience, confidence, and a willingness to improve. Every experience, whether positive or negative, becomes another lesson that helps us make better decisions in the future.
I completely agree. One of the biggest lessons I have learned is that mistakes are excellent teachers. When everything goes perfectly, we feel happy. What we could have done differently and how we can improve next time. That process helps us grow. Instead of feeling disappointed after making a mistake, try to see it as valuable feedback. Every challenge gives you more experience, and experience is one of the greatest tools for making wise decisions in the future.
That's a wonderful way to think about it. Let's finish with one last shadowing sentence. Listen carefully first, and then repeat after us. Good decisions come from knowledge, experience, and careful thinking. Again, good decisions come from knowledge, experience, and careful thinking. One more time. Good decisions come from knowledge, experience, and careful thinking. Excellent. Keep repeating this sentence until it feels natural. The more you practice speaking English aloud, the more confident and fluent you will become.
Fantastic job, everyone. If you practiced all of today's shadowing sentences with us, you should feel proud of yourself. Every lesson you complete is another step toward achieving your English goals. Remember, learning English is one of the best decisions you can make for your future. Keep practicing every day, stay patient with yourself, and never stop believing in your ability to improve. Thank you so much for joining us for Day 12 of our 30-Day English Shadowing Challenge. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and we can't wait to see you again tomorrow for Day 13. Until then, take care, keep learning, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone.